What's up, guys? I'm doing something different today. Going to a new spot on Lake Georgetown. Never been out there before. I heard it looks really cool in pictures. Kind of rocky, like kind of Lake Travis, but it has like a lot of stumps and trees and stuff. So I'm excited. Got the new kayak in the back, and I'm pumped to get out there and see what's going on. It's end of March. I've heard that they're starting to bed now. Lake Georgetown's a little smaller, so I'm assuming that they're bedding out there too. So yeah, I'm gonna try to find some bedding fish, just see what I can get into. I'll see you out there. So I have an underspin, baby bull shad, a glide bait, and a Neko rigged rattlesnake, grounded rattlesnake. So I'm gonna throw that at him. Maybe change to like a crank or jerk bait. That doesn't work. See if I can find some beds in the back. That'd be nice. Picking up a bunch of fish on the way here, like in 60-foot, massive, probably striper. And bass, just nailing like bait fish. A little too deep for me though. I'm a shallow fisherman. So it's a underspin with the grande kickback shad, just like a shad color. Very clear water here. Board, bud. Oh my god, look how fat that guad is. How could you fit anything else in there, dude? That beauty though. Awesome. Beast of the day so far, guys. It's a fish though. Hey, what's up?
Can I ask you for a favor?
What's up?
If you gonna take me right there?
Yeah, 1 second.
Sorry about that.
So where's it at?
Right here?
Oh, okay. Oh, there's a cat on there?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, looks like it. Super tangle. I don't know how. Wait, there he goes.
Alright, appreciate it, bud.
Hold up. There you go.
Thank you.
Nice catch.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Appreciate it very much.
Yeah, for sure. So I've been seeing a lot of fish on the graph, deeper, hanging out in schools and just points. So I'm gonna drop this little spoon down and see what I can do. There it is. they are. White bass. Literally all just came up with that one. All right, I like it. Little white bass. Let's see if we can get some bigger ones now. Oh my goodness. Yeah, buddy. Smacking that spoon. Boom. My God, they are super stacked right here. Holy crap. Better one. Oh, just a lot of spunk. Everything's hitting the spoon. What a beast! That's a wrap.